Hello everybody, I want to show you a new juice that's hit the market. It's called wattage juice, W-A-T-T, for people that like the Kick and Darwin, and there's some other, I think at Texas Select Vapor, he's got a new device that's has the same kind of chipset inside of it, and it's forthcoming. And what's kind of neat about this, it's designed for adjustable voltage devices. And right here it says 9.5 watts. So when you get it, you set your Kick or your Darwin to 9.5 watts, and excuse me, I said that wrong. It's 9.2 watts. I'm reading it backwards off the webcam. But you set your Kick or Darwin to that, and then you know you're getting this juice just the way whoever made it intended it to be vaped. So you're getting what they tell you it's supposed to be. That doesn't mean you don't want to change it around and try different stuff. It just means when you get it right off the bat, this guy is saying this is the best way for this black jelly bean to taste, and that's what that is. It's a pretty good idea, and it actually it works pretty well. I tried it out. Let's see, here's my new device I got here. Here's an inhaler, or not an inhaler. It's a Legacy I got that from Pure Smoke, and it's Kicked, and then it has a extension tube on the bottom of it, and that's so I can run it with a 18650 battery, and then it's just got a mechanical switch on the bottom. So we're gonna stick the Kick is set for, I'm guessing, about 9.2 volts. It's hard to tell, or watts I mean. It's hard to tell 100%. So we're gonna stick that in there, and let's just pretend that I haven't used any of this, which is pretty much the way I was as soon as I got it yesterday. And we set it exactly what the bottle said to set it at, and this is a 1.5 ohm Atomizer dual coil. Pretty tasty, great vapor production. Very nice. I'm real happy with my Legacy. I like it. It's a stainless steel. It's 316 stainless steel. The magnets don't stick to, or just barely stick to it, these rare earth magnets, and that's probably because of the battery inside, to be honest with you. But so it's good quality stuff. I really like this device. Juice works real well with that. Okay, now let's go off to an atomizer. Here's an atomizer with the drip shield on it. So you know what? Let's not doesn't matter what ohms it is, because we have a Kick on there, and with the Kick we don't care, because it's gonna adjust and give us what we want no matter what you stick on there. So we've got it set for 9.2 watts. Let's drop a couple of drops of juice in there. Stick our drip tip in there, and let's see what we get out of that. Very nice, good flavor. Tastes like a black licorice jelly bean, or black jelly bean. They've done a good job on this juice. This is it's a nice atomizer. It's got, you can see down, so I see there's no wick in there. So All you gotta do is throw a little juice in there and it immediately picks up the flavor. There's no break-in time. If you want to switch flavors, it seems to switch over pretty quick. Nice stuff. Okay, now, since it's set up for watts, I mean, I'm assuming that, I mean, juice is juice. It's all made out of the same stuff. It's just that they've went through this and they've mixed it to what they think is best for that wattage or whatever they think this particular mix of juice and flavor and PG and BG tastes the best and everything at that. And so that's what their suggestion. And then see now let's do the same atomizer on the Provari here, and let's check our resistance on the atomizer and see what it is. The resistance is 2.5, which you can't see, it's too bright. Then so it's 2.5. So let's set the power at 4.4. Let's try that. See what that tastes like. Tastes pretty good. Let's go up a little higher. Oop. Let's go up to 5 volts, see how that works. Not much flavor. That's a little bit too high. So let's go back down. Power down. That gives us, let's go back to 4.5. I think I like that. Yep, 4.5 seems about real close to what that was set at on the other one. All right, now let's put our dual coil atomizer tank back in there. Since that's dual coils, let's bump her down just a little bit. And power up, power down. I missed it. Go back around. Okay. Let's set it on 4 tree and see what we get out of that. Pretty good. Might be a little higher, although I ain't get quite the same flavor. Let's go down just a hair more. Let's go 4.0 and see how that works. Yep, that's the spot right there. So you see, it works just as well on this stuff, but you gotta mess with it a little bit and dial in your spot, which I don't mind doing. I like messing around with stuff. But if you don't like messing around with stuff, this juice is designed for stuff with, it uses watts versus volts, and you're going to get the optimal vape. All you got to do is set your device before you start. And you're all ready to go. So I would say wattage juice does exactly what it claims to do. I got it from Texas Select Vapor. You can go up on the site, texasselectvapor.com, and I'll list the site down below here in the comments, and it explains all about the juice and they got together with the guy from Evolve and the maker of the Darwin and that kind of stuff, and worked with him, and they came up with this juice and stuff together. So if you want to give it a try, I definitely suggest it, recommend it. It tastes good. And this one here, he doesn't tell you the PGBG on his juices. He tells you the nicotine, and it's what size it is. It's a little 10 ml bottle I got to try out, and I think I'll be ordering a 30 ml pretty darn quick because it's about gone. I just had it 2 days. Thumbs up for sure, and hope everybody likes the juice. If you try it, it's worth the money. And keep on vaping.